I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork achar. This traditional Indian pickle offers a delightful balance of savory, spicy, and tangy flavors. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring your pork achar turns out perfectly. It's a versatile dish, great with rice or bread, and can be stored for a good period. Get ready to create a truly authentic and delicious meal that will impress everyone. For our pork achar, start with about 1.5 pounds of boneless pork, cut into 1-inch cubes. You'll also need fresh ginger, garlic, and a few green chilies for that essential heat. The spice blend is crucial, including mustard seeds, fenugreek, cumin, and red chili powder. Ensure all your ingredients are prepped and ready before you begin cooking for a smooth process. First, marinate your pork cubes with a pinch of turmeric and some salt for about 30 minutes. Next, heat oil in a pan and sauté the ginger, garlic, and green chilies until they release their wonderful aroma. Then, add the marinated pork to the pan, cooking it until it's nicely browned on all sides. This step seals in the flavors and gives the pork a great texture. Once the pork is browned, add your ground spices and the vinegar solution. Bring it to a gentle simmer, allowing all the flavors to meld together beautifully. Continue cooking until the pork is fork tender and the sauce has thickened to your desired consistency. This delicious achar can be enjoyed immediately or stored for later. Remember to check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.